Hello everyone, welcome you all back to my channel. It's your boy Rookie, back with another reaction video. So today we're gonna react to a song named Amin by MC Stan, and he just launched his official music video yesterday. So we're gonna react on that today. I think Amin means he's trying to say Amen, Amen. Whenever I think in Christianity, whenever you start praying and after you ask for wishes, something like that, after that you say Amin after that. I think this means that Amin. So I'm not sure till now. So let's go ahead and find out what this Amin really means. So here we go. You believe our disservices, all right? Okay. All right. Tera. What tera? What mera? Tera means. Okay. MC Stan is a goat. Alright, so this goat represent two things as per me, as far as I know. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can comment down below and let me know. One thing goat means, you are the greatest of all time. It's goat, G-O-A-T. It's the greatest of all time. The other thing that goat represent is the Illuminati. That is the Satan worshipper. So that's as per my theory that it means that. But I'm not sure. You guys can, if I'm wrong, you guys can comment down below. That is according to my research and my point of view. It means goat means the greatest of all time, or else it will means you are following Illuminati. That two thing at least, or else you, in simple word, you'll follow. You're following the Satan. So I might be wrong. You can comment down below if you want. Okay. I think this song is all about preaching. I think he's about to state some facts and he's gonna preach something to us today, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Okay, yeah. It's kinda the scene is kinda God scene, whenever the God comes down to the earth from heaven. It's totally kinda that kind of scene is coming up out here. So let's go ahead and see.
मेरी माँ मेरे को एक दिन देख के क्यों रो पड़ी, बोलती तेरे हाल देख, तेरे गंदे बाल देख, और अंदर जा रहे गाल देख, और काले हो रहे होठ देख, क्यों तू ऐसा हो रहा देख, टैटू सरे हाथ पे नहीं चलते अपने जात में, रिश्तेदारों की बात में, फिर मेरे लोगों साथ में आने वाला ऊपर मेरे साथ में, मेरे अमल मेरे साथ में, मेरे जात में वो सब नहीं चलता जो हिप हॉप में चलता.
Oh, okay. He is spitting facts out there. So usually, whenever we work outside, especially I'm working outside currently, right? And when I go back to my hometown, my parents say, mostly all of their parents, if they go back to hometown, they said, तू कितना पतला हो गया है, या ये क्या किया तूने, ये क्या किया, मतलब टैटू क्यों बनाया, ये क्यों बनाया, वो सब ये पूछते रहते हैं, मतलब that's kind of normal on it. So that's what it's talking about. And whatever hip hop requires, that is not acceptable in Indian society. Especially that baggy jeans, that tattoos on your face, and some people started smoking weed. They started smoking reefer also. So they started smoking reefer. They started popping pills and everything. So that is not allowed and that is not acceptable in Indian society. So that's what is speaking. That's kind of fact. I don't think hip hop genre is that kind of genre that can be acceptable in Indian society, because I know the youth likes it a lot, but the old age, our people, our mom and dad, they are from the old generation, so I don't think they will like it much. So fact.
फिर पर मैं करता अमीर लोग के बाथरूम कितना उतना मेरा घर था वो छोटा.
Okay, अमीर लोगों के बाथरूम की जितना मेरा घर था, मतलब you have seen the rich people bathrooms, right? That with the Gucci toilet and big bathtubs and everything like that. So that much big was his house before. Nice, man.
तासा घर था मैं रिक्शा में सोता.
He used to sleep in a rickshaw. I think he used to ride, or his father or somebody else used to ride a rickshaw. So because the house was so small that the house cannot accommodate the whole family, so he used to sleep outside in the rickshaw. Rickshaw is like a cycle, a tricycle. You can say that.
टाई की बात नहीं, मैं खुद को देख के रोता, मैंने बोल डाला जो था मैं फील कर सकता, गरीब नहीं ले सकता टिकट मेरे शो का, इसलिए टिकट पे कुछ शो का.
Okay, गरीब नहीं ले सकता टिकट शो का, इसलिए टिकट फेंकता शो का. मतलब he's trying to say that, you know, you have seen people throwing money in live concert and in videos and everything, right? So towards the people, so not that the people grabs it. Same thing out there, he's trying to say that, you know, I'm gonna, as per my perspective, as per my point of view, he's trying to say is that, you know, he will throw out money, he will throw out his ticket, you know, even so that even the poor can, you know, take his ticket and afford to come to his show. Kind of fact is that, you know, he just want people to come in the show for free. That's as per my point of view.
रोजा
Nice.
को रोजा एक साल तक सोचा, खुद को भरोसा भरोसा.
It takes time, man. It takes time to, you know, learn all this thing, man.
मैं हर मेरे सेंटेंस के एंड में बोला मेरा pray for my hater, I pray for my homie, पूछ मत क्या से.
Okay, he will pray for his haters as well, and he will pray for his homies also. So he will pray for everyone. Pray. The Amin that I said before was correct, I think, as far as I have seen in this one. So nice, man. Nice chorus, man.
से मैं सबर कर कबर भरा भी तो स्टार्टिंग, पूछ मत क्या सिंजर से
Yeah, Amin, guys. Amin.
मेरे होमी की कैसे करूँ जामिन, bitch I'm climbing this house I'm planning. सुबह उठ के सुनने मिल रहा एम्बुलेंस का सायरन, किसका तो बन बाप गज का, किसकी तो भी माँ बहन, इस कॉल पे माँ बहन छुपाते माँ बहन और दूसरे की माँ बहन.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this is the fact about the Indian society, man. You know, he's trying to say that किसी का भी माँ बहन, you know, छुपा के अपने माँ बहन दूसरों का माँ बहन. मतलब he's trying to say, as per me, is that, you know, you keeping your mom and your sister in your house, you'll go outside, roam around, you know, and loiter around here and there, and, you know, try to, you know, tease some other sisters and some others' mom, man. So that's totally fact. That's why, you know, we have this statement is really famous in India, saying that, you know, तेरे घर में माँ बहन नहीं है क्या, मतलब that means that, you know, there is no mother, that means that you don't have mother or sister in the home or what. So that's the fact about Indian society, man.
Fuck you money, go home take it so. तूने सुबह उठ के सन देखा, मैंने सुबह उठ के गन देखा, बन देखा, मन देखा, 18 में जेल देखा, स्कूल टाइम में फेम देखा, सबको सेम देखा, यहाँ तक कि सबका एक मेल देखा, लड़की लोग का सेल देखा, खोजा मत मैंने चिल में लिखा.
Okay, he's saying that, you know, usually when we wake up in the morning, we see the sun rising from the east, right? So he haven't seen that, it seems, and he have seen all those, you know, thuggeries in his life, because I might be wrong. I don't know his history totally, but he might be in the slum area and something like that. He grew up like that, because he mentioned in starting of the song that he used to sleep in a rickshaw. So he might have been in the kind of area which have lots of thuggeries, you know, all the thugs were out there. So he have seen guns before sun out there, and he have seen, you know, girls trafficking, human trafficking out there, you know, especially girls being sold out there. Like, you know, that's the truth about Indian the society currently we are living at. People sell girls. And he have and his famous song, that the only one song that I heard about this one about MC Stan is Khujamat. So that is one of the most popular song given by him to us. I think it has around 15 to 16 million views, I think, if I'm not wrong. So that is the only song I heard from this guy. This is the second one. So yeah, man, he's spitting facts.
पब्लिक बोली करके दिखा, चल के दिखा, फोटो ले आज फिर 4 साल बाद, सबको दिखा, लेकिन भागते तुम सच से, मेरे को पसंद सच, मैं बोलता हक से, देख रहा मैं कब से, दुआ मांग रब से, गुस्सा तो बच्चे जैसे आमें, आज के बाद से फैन मेरा रहेगा तो आज के बाद से, माँ बाप को मानते अपन आज के बाद से, भूल कैसा सकता तू माँ के हाथ से, आज के बाद से बात मत कर, आज के बाद से डबल डेट मत कर तू, आज के बाद से कर्मा गोना फक यू, आज के बाद से खुद का ख्याल रख तू, आज के बाद से पिल नहीं खाने वाला, आज के बाद से Xanax मेरे पास में, नमू में कैसे बात करूं.
Okay, he's just trying to say is that, you know, he's just preaching, man. He's just preaching in the song as well, you know, like, I know, if you want to be my fan, if you want to still become my fan, you know, you don't pop pills, you know, people started popping pills, you know, smoking reefer out there. He doesn't want you to do that. He doesn't want to double date. That means I think you guys know it already. Don't cheat anyone. Don't cheat any girls out there. Just respect your mom and dad. So he's just preaching out there. Even his haters, even his followers. If you want to still become his follower, from now onwards, please follow the steps. He just trying to preach out here, man. That's some great, man. That's something great.
आज के बाद से पिल नहीं खाने वाला आज के बाद से Xanax मेरे पास में नमू में कैसे बात करूंगी
ओके Xanax मेरे पास में नम हूँ मैं कैसे बात करूँ कैसे बात करोगे तुम जिंदा लाश से Xanax is a drug and I don't say I think it's a drug only. I correct me, it's a drug. It's a medicine that is taken to help you it helps you to clear your anxiety. So anxiety and your bad times, it helps you to clear the memories it helps to clear that anxiety feel. Anxiety, there's a drug called Xanax, if I'm not wrong, and he's saying that I take that is with me, and because how would you speak with a person without a soul? GG, man, GG.
तुम जिंदा लाश से मार डालूं तो तेरे मुंह पे खास के एक प्लास्टिक बात एक आमेन
Okay, amen.
आमेन हर मेरे सेंटेंस के एंड में बोला आमेन I pray for my head I pray for my homie पूछ मत क्या सिंजर से आमेन सबर कर कबर वर अभी तो स्टार्टिंग पूछ मत क्या सिंजर से आमेन
Amen, man.
तुमको होने का फेमस मेरे को इंडिया में लाने का चेंज
Yeah, same thing. Everyone wants to be famous in this world, but he doesn't want to be famous. He wants to bring some changes in our Indian society. So that's the difference between you and me. Yeah, man, he's preaching. He is preaching, man. GG.
Can't trust money in my main purse. Why you so lame? Cause who came first? Remember पैसा आया December. So simple, be humble. 2020 चालू be humble. Fuck mumble याद आता Snoop Uncle Big that shit. I'm gonna.
Okay, he called Snoop Dogg uncle, man. Yeah, man, true. Yeah, I'm gonna beat that shit. I'm gonna. Yeah, he just want to be like Snoop Dogg, it seems.
With that shit, खुद से मैं परेशान भाग के जाओ किधर सिगरेट जलाए मैंने इधर पब्लिक जल रही उधर
Yeah, cigarette jalaya maine idhar, public jal rahi udhar. Matlab, he's trying to say that a cigarette produce smokes, right? And if somebody is burning because of jealousy, they also burn. And when you burn, the smoke will come out. He's saying that, man. Nice rhyming out there, man. Nice wordplay.
फुल टाइट जिसमें दिख रहा तेरा फिगर कुरान में जिक्र सब बुक जरा डीप पर एसिड विसिड खा जरा दुनिया पे ट्रिप कर इंसान की ट्रिप कर बीटी से सीख कर आइला में लिख कर बैठेला शांति से गाने मेरे बात कर रहे इंसान ने खुद जाते तुम लोग क्या बात कर रहे मजबूरी में चोर बन रहे किसके कहीं को पैर पड़ रहे बात मेरी होती सच इसलिए मेरी केयर कर रहे पुलिस के पेड़ बढ़ रहे बोले हम लोग चेंज कर रहे पर अपन इनको क्यों नहीं चेंज कर रहे सेम कपड़े सेम लव
Yeah, man. Yeah, true. People doesn't become a thief because he wants to be that. He wants to choose a profession. He becomes a thief because the society doesn't give him much. And police. He talks about police all the time. That I heard about this guy. I don't know why he hates police. Might be he went to jail before because of that. Might be, but he's trying to don't. Police does the same thing. Catch robbers. Do the same shit again and again. So he's saying that why don't you change police? Then the thieves. That's what my point of view is, man.
को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा हम लोग आगे क्यों बढ़ रहे
Whole को अच्छा नहीं, yeah, man. Yeah, if you started growing, you will find a lot of haters in your way. Similarly, that's the truth about society, man. If you are if some people are backbitching about you, that means you are growing, man. That means you are in the right track. Just remember that in the word. That's remember that. If somebody's bitching about you behind your back, just remember that you are in the right track. If nobody's talking behind your back, that means you are in the wrong track, man. You will not grow. So just keep that in mind, guys. So that's what he's saying. Society started. All right.
करेगी मेरे को लड़की जैसा क्यों जड़ रहे अच्छा करने गए तो किसका पीछे से मीम्स बन रहे नामकी में गुसल कर रहे शैतान नमाज पढ़ रहे फरिश्ते रोते रहेंगे ऊपर
Okay, Shaitan, devils are reading devils are doing namaz in India, in the world, and our angels are crying up in the sky by seeing them. That devils are Satan devils are, you know, reading the Quran or doing namaz out there, and our angels, our heavenly angels, are crying because of that.
इंसान ये क्या कर रहे अपनी हद पार कर रहे तेरे पर हो वाले फेरी
That is what we are, man, with the being a people, being a person.
डरता मैं मरने से सोचता ना क्या होगा मरने पे हर मेरे सेंटेंस के एंड में बोला मेरा pray for my head, pray for my homie, पूछ मत क्या सिंजर से आवे सबर कर कबर वर अभी तो स्टार्टिंग पूछ मत क्या सिंजर से
Ameen, bro.
मरने के बाद भी गाने में रहेंगे I promise you टेंशन मत ले gonna be alright
मरने के बाद भी गाना बनाएगा
के सबको what I'm not looking for crowd I'm not looking for cloud रुक मत रख किस पे if you have any doubt खुद पे मांगता
I'm not looking for crowd, I'm not looking for clout. Yeah, man. Nice.
Proud fuck your sympathy अकेला में बस भरोसा किस पे नहीं मांगते मेरे को 10 एक हो मैं बस I mean my crush show me you know me show me some love दिखाएंगे कब सिर्फ चल रहे ललक you don't give a fuck तेरा प्यार तेरे पास रख and I'm running to how लॉकडाउन में करूँ मैं शो पांचों कल में पढ़ के soft course no foes but मेरे को हर बार एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता किसको जो मानता है what about जनता देखो फैंस के मैं कर करता लेकिन मैं खुद ऊपर वाले का पंगा दुनिया फेवर मेरी माइक पे लिल बन बजा
Okay, मैं खुद ऊपर वाले का बंदा मैं पंखा मतलब you know तुम मेरा फैन हो लेकिन मैं खुद ऊपर वाले का पंखा पंखा means also fan in English. Nice rhyme scheme, and when he dies he doesn't want you to, you know, cry. He wants you to play Lil Wayne song on it. I think he's a big fan of Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne, yeah, man. GG, man. Nice preaching. He's levitating out there. Levitation is going on out there. Levitating. I'm devastating. Yeah, bro. Phone is ringing. Pick up the call, bro. Okay, nobody pick up the call. Okay. Alright, guys. You know, he started preaching from starting of the song only. He started the song, you know, being a small a toddler. He started the song and he ended up, you know, being his till his death. And even after I die, so my song will keep coming up. So that's how he ended, and he died at last. And as by the video, he tried to show that, you know, he was levitating in the last. As you can see that, and he was going to heaven, I think. So, you know, he was born and he died in the same video in a 6-minute long song. He did everything. So, man, come on, man. That's just awesome. That the rhyming skill, the wordplay, you know, the words that he used in this video, in this song, is just awesome, man. GG, man. As in my language, I can say GG. So, you know, that's all. I think we will react to this guy's song again if he launch any other new song, because his song preaches a lot. So, well, you know, that's all for this one. You know, if you want me to follow, you can follow me on my Instagram. You can DM me if you want me to react to any other song, and you can also subscribe to my channel as well to support me, you know, and help me grow. We can grow together as well. You can DM me if you want me to react, or if you want me to translate any Nepali song for you guys. I can do it. I'll do it for you guys for sure. Anything for you guys. So, you know, that's all for this one. Signing off, guys.